Hello and a hearty welcome to all my students. This is Ajit Anthony, teacher at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic related with chapter number 10, that is motion and measurement of distances. The very first topic that we are going to discuss today is the periodic motion. A repetitive motion which repeat itself after a fixed interval of time is called periodic motion. That means a type of motion which repeat itself after a fixed interval of time is called periodic motion. Like for example, the bell rings after every period is the perfect example for the periodic motion. Another type of motion that we are going to discuss, that is non-periodic motion. We can also say it is just opposite to the periodic motion. Where in periodic motion we have discussed it's a type of motion which repeat itself after a regular interval of time, whereas non-periodic motion is a type of motion which does not repeat itself after a regular interval of time. And when body performs this type of motion, it's said to be as non-periodic motion. Example, motion of a football players in the field. The another motion that we are going to discuss today, that is oscillatory motion. In this, a body or a whole body moves back and forth repeatedly along the same path without changing its shape, then that body is said to be as performing oscillatory motion. Example which you can see over in the screen, the example about the clock. The example about the clock, which is over here having a pendulum. You can see the pendulum is moving back and forth. The whole body of the pendulum or the whole pendulum is moving back and forth repeatedly without changing its shape or size. This is called what? Oscillatory motion. Another type of motion that we are going to discuss, that is vibratory motion. A type of motion which moves as a whole body do not moves but starts to undergoes a change in shape or size, or we can say in easy word, they starts to vibrate. For example, musical instrument like the strings of the guitar, drum, violin, sitar, etc. are the instruments which undergoes vibratory motion. That means it is a type of motion which vibrates and show the type of motion. So this is called what? Vibratory motion. Another motion that we are going to discuss, that is uniform motion. It is a type of motion in which body covers equal distance and equal interval of time along a straight path. The body is said to be as uniform motion. That means over here in this uniform motion, the speed of the object is not changing. Actually, the speed is remaining constant, and this type of motion is called uniform motion. Soldiers marching in a parade is a perfect example for the uniform motion. The last topic or the last type of motion, that is non-uniform motion. The non-uniform motion is a type of motion which can be said the opposite for the uniform motion. And as we have discussed, the uniform motion is a type of motion in which the speed remains constant and the body covers the equal distance in equal interval of time. So we can say the opposite for the non-uniform. It's a type of motion in which body covers unequal distance and equal interval of time. That means the speed of the object or the body is getting or is varying or it's changing. That type of motion shown by the body or the object is called non-uniform motion. Example, car moving on a busy street performs non-uniform motion. Hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thank you.